To start 2026, we're exploring one of the most insane light experiments in New York City, the Brooklyn Botanic Garden Lightscape, and this place does not feel real. We're surrounded by over 1 million lights transforming an entire botanic garden into a glowing wonderland. And this isn't just a short walk, this is almost a full mile of non-stop visual insanity. Right from the start, colors are moving everywhere, trees are glowing, and then you step straight into massive light tunnels. It feels like a video game in real life. Every section is completely different. One moment it's calm and peaceful, and the next, boom, bright reds, neon blues, and lights exploding through the trees. Somehow they made trees look cooler than Times Square. This is the kind of place where your phone battery doesn't survive. Every step is a photo, every corner looks unreal, and if you don't stop every few seconds, you're missing something crazy. During the day, this garden is quiet, but at night it feels alive. Lights dancing to music, reflections bouncing off the water. It's pure magic from start to finish. Now quick, heads up! By the time you are watching this event is already over. Lightscape at the Brooklyn Botanic Garden only ran until January 4th, 2026, which makes this even more special because you're watching a moment that only exists for a limited time. That's what makes experiences like this unforgettable. You're not just watching lights, you're watching a memory. And what makes it even better is that this experience is for everyone, families, couples, friends, kids. Even if you're not a plant person, this will still blow your mind. As we reach the final stretch, standing here surrounded by all this light, it's hard to believe we're still in the middle of New York City. This feels like a completely different world. So if you ever get the chance to catch Lightscape in the future, trust me, it's 100% worth it. Smash that like button, subscribe for more insane adventures. I'll see you in the next one because the next adventure is going to be even crazier. Thanks for watching. Bye.